The winter months are the perfect time to cook easy to prepare convection meals. And this recipe for Boston baked beans is a perfect example. For this recipe, I'm using dried pinto beans that I soaked overnight, and all I have to do to prepare this meal is to cook some chopped bacon in a Dutch oven to render the fat, add some chopped onion and garlic, and after cooking for a few minutes, add the remainder of the ingredients. Ketchup, maple syrup, apple cider vinegar, molasses, a few bay leaves, water, and of course the beans. A pinch of kosher salt and pepper, and into the oven the beans go, covered with a tight-fitting lid to simmer for only about 30 minutes. Because the oven is set to a moderate temperature of 325 and I'm using a convection mode, I can add some corn muffins into the oven during the final stage of the cooking, confident in the knowledge that they will cook evenly, the great benefit of convection. Fresh warm corn muffins are delicious with baked beans, and adding some sautéed collard greens makes for an easy, delicious winter convection meal. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.